Community Health Nursing 2 Unit-1 Essay or long answer questions. Number 1. Explain briefly on significant events of community health development in the world. Next, number 2. Briefly describe the significant events of development of community health in India. Number 3. Describe in detail about the scope of community health nursing. Number 4. Explain the various roles of community health nurse. Describe various work settings of community health nurses. Describe the development of community health nursing in India during pre-independence.